Hey, welcome to Board Snoring. 10 months ago, I made a 10 likes on this video and I'll destroy the rarest item, which is the pink color. And today, I'm gonna break that. Introducing the expensive iBook. It looks so good. Doesn't it just make you wanna look so it?
I am not Ricky Berwick.
We're gonna start by throwing I live for the applause. Hey, welcome back to Board Snoring. I hope you enjoyed that video where I smashed that iBook with this laptop. Now let's destroy it. This is the Panasonic Toughbook. It's one of the world's toughest laptops. Remember that video I made on the little ThinkPad? Well, that ThinkPad is this laptop. 3, 2, 1. Down. Oh! I just love cleaning up messes. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And bye guys. I'll get to cleaning.